Chefchaouen, Morocco's blue pearl. Nestled in the Rif Mountains, Chefchaouen is famously known as Morocco's blue pearl, a town where every shade of blue paints the walls, doors, and alleyways. Walking through Chefchaouen feels like stepping into a dream where the sky-blue walls blend seamlessly with the vivid landscape around them. The entire town is bathed in this calming color, creating an almost otherworldly ambiance that's as soothing as it is captivating. As you stroll through its winding streets, you'll find yourself mesmerized by the sheer beauty of this blue haven. Chefchaouen's unique charm isn't just about its color. It's about the inviting atmosphere and friendly locals who welcome you to their vibrant community. You can stop by small artisan shops where local craftsmen display handmade textiles, leather goods, and pottery, each piece reflecting the town's rich culture and tradition. Photographers and travelers alike are drawn to Chefchaouen for its picture-perfect vistas and hidden nooks. Every corner offers a postcard-worthy view, whether it's the sunlight illuminating a vivid blue alley or the contrast of green plants against the cool painted walls. Beyond its breathtaking visuals, Chefchaouen provides a peaceful escape from the bustling energy of Morocco's larger cities. The tranquil surroundings, fresh mountain air, and blue serenity create a one-of-a-kind experience that stays with you long after you leave. Chefchaouen isn't just a place you visit, it's a place you feel, one that invites you to slow down, breathe deeply, and savor the beauty around you.